Welcome back to another video. My name is Motion FX, and today I'm gonna break down these two trades that I caught live in the Discord this morning. I made my Discord a lot of money today, so I'm gonna break down these trades and show you guys how I caught these trades, how I made some money today. Okay, so the first trade I'm gonna break down is this trade right here. This is a trade I caught on US 30. I caught 127 pips, and it was a 1 to 2 risk to reward. So I came into the market at 9 a.m. So we're gonna look for the 9 a.m. candle and market. So I came into the market at 9 a.m. So everything after 9 a.m. in this box right here, we're not worrying about that right now. We're worrying about everything that's on this side. So as you guys can see, pre-market, I seen that price was in a kind of an uptrend right here, right? But on the higher time frames, price is in a downtrend. As you guys can see, price is trending to the downside. Whenever I'm looking for market direction, a direction for me to look for a trade in, I look on the higher time frames because the higher time frames are more the higher time frames are more likely to not lie to you. So I seen that price is in a downtrend. How did I know price is in a downtrend? Price is making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows. And yeah, it was just doing that throughout the entire time. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So price is in a downtrend, right? So I knew I was looking for sells, right? So I marked my resistance zone. As you guys can see, let me zoom out a little bit. I marked my resistance zone right here, and I marked my support zone right here. Now, originally, let me delete this and the trend line. Okay, so now we know we're looking for sells, right? We're looking for a trade to the downside. So originally at 9:30 a.m., I wanted to see price break this low, which is the support zone, right? I just wanted to see a breakout of the support zone. I enter and target a 1 to 2 risk to reward. That's my trade. If we're trading to the downside, I look for a breakout of support. If we're trading to the upside, I look for a breakout of resistance. So in this case, we're trading to the downside, so I want to see a break of support, right? But price created another zone right here. As you guys can see, I'm gonna mark it out for you right here. Price created a zone right here, and price created another zone right here, right? I call these micro zones or like smaller time frame zones. So we have our main resistance, which is that yellow line, and we have our main support zone, which is this yellow line. So both yellow line, we have main resistance and we have main support, right? Now, closer to 9:30, I seen that price broke below this zone and came back up. 9:30 hits, price broke above this zone. Now, we know that we're looking for sells, right? We're not looking for buys. So once I seen that market open at 9:30 and price was shooting up, I just wanted to see price break back below this zone. Now, as you guys know, resistance is the roof and support is the floor. So in this case, price broke below the floor, which made it resistance, right? Price broke back through the roof, which makes the resistance become the floor. So now I wanted to see price break through the floor, which is the support zone. All I wanted to see was price break back below this zone. Once I seen that price break back below that zone, I entered on a sell position, put my stop above this recent zone, which is the main resistance zone, and I just targeted the support zone. And that was the trade. It was an easy 1 to 2, easy, simple strategy. All you got to do is find out the direction that the market is trending in. So if we're trending in a downtrend, as you guys can see right here, all you want to see is a breakout of the support zone at 9:30 a.m. or before, right? If you know you're looking for sells and the market is trending down and market opens and price starts to shoot up, then do not enter for a buy. Wait until price breaks through that support zone and then you look for a sell position. It's the same thing if market is trending up. If market is trending up, you want to see a breakout of the resistance zone. If price hits if 9:30 hits and price breaks through a support zone, then you're not going to be looking for a sell because you know that the market is trending up. So you're going to be looking for buys. So you wait until market breaks through the resistance zone, and you enter in a buy. It's that easy, that simple. All you gotta do is just figure out what direction the market is trending in. How do I do that? I go on the 15-minute time frame, right? I go on the 15-minute time frame and I just look at market structure. I seen that price made a high, price made a low, price made a lower high and a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. So I know that price is trending down. You know what I'm saying? It's making lower highs and lower lows. Now, if price is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, then I know, okay, price is trending up. So I'll be looking for buys. You know what I'm saying? It's that easy, that simple. So as you guys can see, I cashed on this trade, I made my Discord a lot of money today. A lot of money. Me personally, I made $300 on this trade. It was a 1 to 2 risk reward, and I risked only $150 because it's a Friday. The market is not very the market doesn't have a lot of volume on Fridays normally. So I didn't risk a lot of money, and I made $300. It was that easy, that simple. Okay, so this is the other trade I caught today live in a Discord. As you guys can see, it was a 1 to 2 risk to reward also. I made $300 on this trade too. So I'm gonna get into this trade and break it down for you guys. It's literally the same thing, literally the same concept. So I came into the market at 9 a.m. Okay, so I'm gonna mark 9 a.m. right here. That's the 9 a.m. candle. So everything after 9 a.m., we're not gonna worry about it for right now. So it's literally the same thing as the last trade on US30. On the 5 minute time frame, price is in an uptrend, but I look for market direction on the higher time frames because the smaller time frame will lie to you and it will let you lose money. So I trust the higher time frames more than the smaller time frames. So I went on the higher time frame and I see that price is in a downtrend. It's pretty obvious. Price is trending to the downside, as you guys can see. If I draw a trend line, it's literally trending to the downside. But how would I know that price was for sure trending to the downside? As you guys can see, price made a high, price made a low, price made a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So obviously price is trending to the downside, right? Now that we know that price is trending to the downside, we know we're looking for sells, right? If price is trending up, once again, we would be looking for buys. But we know price is trending down, so we're looking for sells, okay? So next, what I did was I looked for my support and resistance zone. As you guys can see, we have support right here and we have resistance right here. Now, all I wanted to see at 9:30 a.m. was a breakout of that support zone because we are trending to the downside. Now, price broke out of that zone at about 9 o'clock, 9:15. Let me go on the smaller time frame. Yes, price broke out of that zone like about 9:10. So we knew we wasn't going to take an entry because I only take entries at 9:30 a.m. or anything after 9:30 a.m. So what I did, I went on the higher time frame and I looked for another support zone. If you zoom out, as you guys can see, we have support right here. Marked it up. I'm going to hourly time frame. As you guys can see, we have support, right? We have support right here. And we still have our resistance zone from that recent support zone, right? So now we have our support and resistance zone. So like I said, once price breaks through the floor becomes the roof. You know what I'm saying? So let's say this is the floor and I go through the floor and I'm underneath the floor. Now the floor is not the roof. You know what I'm saying? So the floor became the roof, which is resistance. And now we have a new floor, which is support. All I wanted to see was price break through the floor at 9:30 a.m. because we are trending down. It's that easy, that simple. As you guys can see, 9:30 a.m. This is the 9:30 candle, the purple candle. We got the breakout, right? We got the breakout, enter, put our stop above the recent zone, which was the recent the resistance zone. Put our stop above the resistance zone, and we just targeted 1 to 2. That easy, that simple. Now, the reason why I targeted a 1 to 2 was because today is Friday, and 1 to 2s, you're more likely to get a 1 to 2 than a 1 to 5. You know what I'm saying? Like, I obviously could have made way more money today. I could have made a 1 to 6, 1 to 7 risk to reward. But I just played it safe because today is Friday. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather win than be greedy and just lose money. You know what I'm saying? So it's a really easy, simple strategy. All you do is just find out which direction the market is trending in and you trade with the trend. That easy, that simple. You just wait for a breakout of the zone in the direction the market is trending in, and you will cash every single time. If you guys want to trade live with me every single day for free, completely free, no cost, I trade live on Discord every single day for free. Just click the link in the description below and it will take you right through my Discord. You can join. It's completely free once again, no cost, no money. All you got to do is just copy my trades and you will make money. That easy, that simple. So if you guys want to follow me, my name is Motion FX on Instagram, Motion FX on TikTok, Motion FX on YouTube. Start your trading journey.